Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move crawl. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful. Knowing how to lead footwork would be really helpful. I'll put links in the description below to make it nice and easy and quick for you to go back and see the videos on those subjects in case you need them. So jumping straight in, the move looks like this. This is the fast version. We'll teach you the slow version, then we'll teach you the difference. So it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the crawl bit, you can do that fast or slow, and you can do as many or as few of them as you want. So we did 3. On my advice is, as always, do whatever matches something in the music. Okay, so it starts off just like a first move. We go semicircle and back, we come in for a first move, we twist the lady out. The guy weights his back foot, so you're nice and symmetrical with the lady. You might want to pick up the full width of the lady's back with the right arm, depending upon how good your connection with your partner is. And what we do is we lead a step forwards, facing our partner, and we bring the close in. So we've got our feet together with a change weight, and we do the same again. Step, close, step, close. We finish with a fairly big step forwards and a rock back, and then we twist out and we finish the first move. Twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. We do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3. We go forwards and close 4. And then the next one 5, next one 6. Then we go slow, forward 7, back 8, twist out 1, in 2, turning 3, facing 4, returning 5, and back 6. Okay, that's the fast timing. Okay, the slow timing goes like this. It goes back, in, twist, and we go step for 1, close for 1. Instead of doing 2 steps in a count, we do 1 each. So we go step for 1, close for 1, step for 1, close for 1, forwards, back, and the same as before. So we'll try the slow one together, and then I'll call it again and we'll try the fast one together. So here we go, slow version first, 5, 6, slow version first. We go back, in, twist, we go step, close, step, close, step, close, forwards, back, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. Now it's not just easier to learn the slow one first, it's also really useful to be able to do the slow one if you're dancing to a fast tune, because it gives you a breather, whereas if you're dancing to a slower tune, it doesn't feel very great. So we'll go to the other side, do the other version, we'll do the fast one together. This is the version that suits slower tunes. It goes 7 and 8, back, in, twist, step, close, step, close, slow, slow, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. And that is that first move crawl. I hope you find that one useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move and the channel. Subscribing also helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And tell your friends. Yeah, leave a comment if you've got anything you'd like us to cover, or if you've just got some feedback for us, that's awesome. And music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this move to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.